Did you get that?
Go out further, Ashley.
Hey, you guys found this very funny.
Oh, he's gonna take off.
Yes. Go, Newton! He's doing good with you. That's one hell of a ride.
That's an 8-second ride there.
I don't know if I can beat that. How was that ride? Oh yeah, it was good. Okay, fancy. You have to help me with Newton. Come here, Newton. Come here. Hey, that was good.
That was the best one ever.
You know what? The other day she was rearing him with
Yeah.
spanking herself.
Hey, leave some energy for the other people.
Yeah, it's Kirsten's turn.
Alexis's turn.
No.
You're not gonna do it?
You're not going to do it?
Oh, come on.